Cardmonk fam, welcome back, and we are here to simplify Shopify for beginners. This is part 6 of our Shopify beginner series. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to connect your custom domain to Shopify. Whether you brought it from GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains, by the end, your store will have a professional web address like yourbrand.com and not the default Shopify URL. Because by default, Shopify gives you a URL like your store.myshopify.com. Let me just show you. Let's just go to the settings here. And here you can find the domain name. But connecting a custom domain makes your store look more professional and trustworthy. You can buy a domain directly from Shopify or connect one you already own from providers like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. So that won't be an issue. And now here's how you're going to start it. I'm just going to take you to the settings tab, and here we go, domains. Now all you have to do is you can either buy a new domain from here by clicking on this buy new domain button. This will help you search for a domain and then see if it's available to buy. All right, so we're not going to that step anymore, so let's just go back to the previous menu, and here we go. This is the one that Shopify has already given us, so we're just going to modify it now. All you're going to do is click on this connect existing domain and enter the domain name. Well, once you enter the domain name here, you'll be able to see the next step where you can see the DNS records, checking your DNS record and adding these newly created DNS records in your hosting provider, and then moving on to DNS propagation and TLS certificate provisioning. Now, as the next step, all you have to do is log into your hosting provider and then verify the DNS records. I've already logged into mine. Now we are simply going to add these DNS records in the hosting provider. So let's just go add it. Okay, add it. And next, let's continue adding another record by clicking on this add record and update the next one, which is the text type. Finding a text type record here and then copying this name. For the content, we're just going to enter the content here and save it. Once you finish updating your DNS records, you will move into this next step where you can see the screen and you can verify connection by clicking on this button. You'll be able to see that Shopify takes some time to verify your ownership of the domain, and then your domain will be successfully verified. Well, once it's done, set your new domain as primary so visitors always see your brand instead of the Shopify URL. Great job! Your Shopify store now has a professional custom domain. In part 7 of the series, I'll show you how to set up Shopify payments and taxes so you're ready to accept orders from. If the tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Cardmonk, and hit the bell to follow along as we build your Shopify store step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 7.